thunderstorms could become severe with a threat for large hail and damaging winds. There will also be a low tornado threat with this activity, particularly north of Interstate 20 and west of Interstate 35 through the early evening. Spotter activation may be requested this afternoon and evening, primarily north of the Interstate 20 corridor. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Tuesday through Sunday. Thunderstorm chances will return Saturday night and Sunday. The current time is 5:14 p.m. Central.
So for y'all that are new, we just got a severe thunderstorm watch for around my county. And on weather.im./IEM-bot, they said that they were going to request somewhere. They said that they were going to request Skywarn spotters, and they're going to be right around there in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So now we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Have not gotten it yet though. So it looks like we're just about to get the storm soon. So might be getting it soon. So we can only hope that we get some.